Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. See, in this video tutorial I would like to show you how you will use your WhatsApp on your desktop, your laptop. No need to install any kind of the application, just you have to open a Google Chrome and type yes web.whatsapp.com and just enter it. Now see, I have reached here. Just within a few seconds, of course, you will be able to use your WhatsApp application on your desktop here, laptop. Just nothing. See here, you have to come in a see here, you have to come in a setting, and after coming in the setting here, let you show clearly. See, of course, this is my chart, this is a call, and this is a especially a status. So here you have to come in a setting. Here you have to this one, here this one, WhatsApp babe, yeah, desktop. You have to click once time, then you have to scan. Yes, you have to click on a scan QR code just once time, and now see, within a few seconds you are finally able to use this. How? See, it has been already connected now. Of course you can use. Now see here, of course, see here, my dear, this is my profile. Of course we can you can change everything here. Just a whole WhatsApp application will be, and apps, data, everything, these all have been now. See, so of course it's a really useful technique, and you can have all kind of the, just if you would like to see photo upload your video, of course, through clicking here, and camera also, of course, and this is a document if you would like to upload, send to your friend, and this one is a contact, of course, whatever you have the contact number, according to that everything you can have it, no problem. Here see, it's a profile and archive, and of course, as you know very well that what is started show, and this is a setting. Of course you can go and change everything, no problem at all. Here all kind of the function is in here, and log out. Of course, when you are going to close this Chrome browser, then you have to go firstly log out, because that will of course keep your security of your WhatsApp. So just now I will click on a log out, and now see, finally I have logged out. Now it won't be, of course, work on a Google browser. So of course really helpful this application, very much, my dear. Whatever you have Android, smartphone, of course, iPhones, no problem at all. Within a few seconds you can have your WhatsApp on your desktop, your laptop, and easily you will be able to use. And of course it will keep you full security, 100%. So if my video has been benefited to you in any way, then please like and subscribe to my channel and share it, because this is one thing that, of course, and this will inspire to me to make more and more video for your education purpose. So thank you guys.